Injuries can happen when playing golf. Joining us today to talk about injuries in golf and chiropractic are Drs. Jim Kliamovich and Drs. David Foltz from Kliamovich Chiropractic in Sweet Valley in Shavertown. Guys, great to see you.
Great to see you.
Well, Dr. Jim, you're a certified golf injury specialist. Tell us what that means and how you could help those that get injuries when playing golf.
Sure. Well, I've been a golf enthusiast. Even played competitively while I was in high school and have been playing since probably around 9 or 10 years of age. Love the sport. And about 12 years ago, I found some continuing education where I could actually receive a certification in golf-related injuries. And it took me around 2 years to achieve this. And you look for things to study that it makes it a little bit easier when you have an interest in them. So it was something that I just pursued from there.
Well, that's kind of the thing, playing golf yourself, you kind of have a little bit more of an insight on how you can get injured and then what to do with those injuries once you play the sport.
Oh, absolutely. When it comes to any type of sport that's out there, if you have participated in it and played in it, being a doctor, it makes so much more sense. You understand the motions that are involved and the injuries that can occur as a result of it.
What's one common thing, Dr. Jim, that people can do when they go out to play golf that may cause injury?
Overswinging. Basically, the swing is the biggest part. The certification I received was through a company called Backswing Dynamics. Dr. Siemens was actually the instructor in it, and he emphasized everything on the swing, having proper technique. A lot of folks go out there without any type of instruction at all. Now, we're not looking for instructing folks in how to improve their swing, but if you have a problem sometimes by changing small details or exercising certain muscles, we can change the swing to prevent pain.
And Dr. Dave, I know that you have a lot of experience and background in sports injury as well.
That's true. And as a golfer myself, I tend to notice that when patients get older, they lose mobility, and it's not necessarily an injury that's causing this lack of mobility. Many people just lose mobility as they age, and as chiropractors, that's one thing that we can address in any athlete, recreational, professional, at any level really, to increase their performance, not necessarily just because of injury.
All right, if you're a golfer or someone that likes to get out and enjoy sports and maybe you feel you've lost mobility or you've injured yourself playing sports, Dr. Jim, how could our viewers get in touch with you guys?
They can call our office at 477-2778, or they could visit our website at kcopro.com.
Dr. Jim Kliamovich and Dr. David Foltz from Kliamovich Chiropractic in Sweet Valley in Shavertown. Thanks so much for being on the show. We'll see you again next time.
Thanks for having us, Dave.